Tired of your Wix website looking like a chaotic collage instead of a cohesive masterpiece? I'm going to show you how to make all your strips the same size in Wix, giving your site that clean, professional edge in just a few simple steps. First, select the strip you want to adjust. Click on it once to activate its settings. On the right side of your Wix editor, you'll see the strip settings panel. Look for the height option. This controls the vertical size of your strip. Take note of the height value displayed here. This is the current height of the strip you've selected. Now, select another strip that you want to match in size again. Click on it to bring up its settings. Go to the height option in the settings panel for this second strip. Manually enter the exact same height value that you noted down from the first strip. This will instantly resize the second strip to match. Repeat this process for all the other strips on your page that you want to be the same size. By consistently using the same height value, you'll achieve a perfectly aligned and visually balanced layout. As an additional tip, make sure the stretch to full width toggle is on for all strips to ensure they are taking up the full screen. This will allow for proper uniformity across the screen. That's it. With a few tweaks, your Wix website will now have a much more polished and professional appearance.